Hello guys, good day to you. How you guys doing? You're welcome back to yet another smoothie episode. How are you? How's your weekend? How have you guys been? We thank God for yet another day. We thank God for life. We thank God for the grace to live healthy. To him be all the glory. We thank the Lord. Today we are going to be doing smoothie. So what I have in here today, I'm having my apple. I have two apple, two guava, and I have plum and bananas. I have yogurt and banana juice. So let's get into it. I have my blender. I'm going to peel and cut it to what my blender can tolerate. Let me. So it's cut, diced to what my blender can tolerate. So now I'm taking it into my blender. Okay. Mhm. So let me see the blender before of the corner. So I'm pouring it in my blender. So I have peach with it. So we have peach also. So the next thing, I'm going to pour in my yogurt. And I'm putting my banana juice in. So I'm going to blend. Okay. So you might garnish it with your lemon or with some banana. I'm going to have it now. So this is it. Thank you for watching. God bless you.